Hey everyone, so in this video we'll see how to use the HubSpot integration on Bitscale. Using this, you can import all your leads, including companies and contacts from HubSpot using specific filters, and you can enrich them using the tools present on Bitscale, and finally export it back onto HubSpot. So for that, the first step is adding the integration, and it is very simple. It is just as easy as coming onto this page, clicking on HubSpot's add integration and just signing into the HubSpot on this browser. And this will automatically add your HubSpot integration. So for this case, I have added my HubSpot integration. And once this is done, you can move back to your grids to filter out the leads and bring them onto the platform. Uh, you can go to this create grid, and this will give you these two options wherein you can either import companies or import contacts based on some filters. So if I click on this find companies filter, I can select the account and I can provide the filter. For now, I will pick up those companies which have about us as empty. So I will select this filter and I will preview the results. And in the meantime, let me also show you my company list. This is a dummy list of 4 companies. All of them have a about us field as empty. So naturally, I have fetched all these 4 companies into this list. So once I have that, I can import it into either a new grid or import it to a existing grid. I have already created a grid and added these leads. So I will head straight away to that grid and move forward with the next steps. So this is the grid that I had created already. I'll just open it up. And what you will see that those 4 companies that I had previewed and tried to import, they're already added here along with the HubSpot ID. So we'll head right at the end, and here you will see there are 2 enrichments that I've added. First one is a link scraper tool that essentially goes to the company's website and fetches a short description of the company under 100 words. And this gives me results like this, wherein, for example, HubSpot's description is provided as this. Similarly, for the rest of the 3 companies. And since I've already run this action column, I can straight away just run this export to HubSpot action column. And let me just show you, how easy the configuring it is. You just need to put in some basic information here, like the account which you are trying to connect, the record type. It can be either company or contact at HubSpot that you are trying to update. And you just need to map, in this case, because we are updating a particular field of the records. We have selected the unique identifier as HubSpot, since this is the identifier that will be used to map records from our platform back to HubSpot. So once all of this is set up, I will just save it and I'll run this column. It will take a few seconds and the results should be exported. Yeah, so I've got success for these 4 rows. You can see that the records have been updated, and this also has a timestamp for all of this. So let me just head back to the HubSpot account and show you. So let me just refresh this page. Yeah, so you can see the about us fields for all these 4 companies has updated. So yeah, this is how you can, enrich your HubSpot leads right on the Bitscales platform. Do try this out and let us know what you feel. Thank you.